Hello children, today we will revise the 6th chapter of your English 2, that is the Man Cub. Okay, so I'll just give you a quick summary of this chapter first. That is, this story is is in a jungle. The story is set in a jungle, and in this story we see that how the animals talk, and they have also emotions like humans. But we also notice the differences between the human world and the animals world. Okay, and means that is why we will see that how the decision to include Mowgli in their lives is taken by all the wolves of the jungle, and how Mowgli must learn the ways of the jungle. So we see that in this chapter there is a small boy whose name is Mowgli, who has lost his parents. But he's very young, he's too young to realize that in the story that he has actually lost the parents, and he's very happy. He seems like a happy child, and and he's so cute that the wolf family likes him so much and wants to keep him in the family. So there's a father wolf, mother wolf, and their 4 cubs, the children, and they are resting in their cave in the jungle. And then they hear Sher Khan's roar, the tigers, the Sher Khan's roar, and father wolf and mother wolf, they get up and they walk to the mouth of the cave to see what has made Sher Khan so angry. So outside, when they reach outside the cave, they see a tiny human baby. Okay, and who is this human baby? Mowgli. So this human baby is very cute, and he is standing there holding a branch of a tree. So the wolves know, they quickly understand that the tiger is after this baby. So they take him inside the cave, and soon Sher Khan reaches the cave looking for the baby. The wolves refuse to give up the baby and ask the tiger to go away. Now, mother wolf wants to keep the baby. She likes him so much, and she names him Mowgli. Okay, so they must they decided that they will show the Mowgli to the pack of wolves, means where all the wolves they live together. So they will only decide if Mowgli can stay with the wolf family or not. So they held a meeting of the wolves. So at the pack meeting, there was a black panther whose name is Bagheera, and the bear whose name is Baloo. So they also support this decision that Mowgli can live with us. So it is decided that Mowgli will be a member of the wolf family and will stay in the jungle. So this is the story all about, okay, about the Man Cub. So children, let's revise the book exercise also. So you all open page number 48. Okay, take the correct option. When Mowgli saw father wolf and mother wolf for the first time, he laughed. Okay, Sher Khan wanted to kill Mowgli. Mowgli was named by mother wolf. Which 2 animals spoke to let Mowgli be a part of the wolf pack? Bagheera the panther and Baloo the bear. So next is question answers, children. In this, one more this thing is there. Why did father wolf and mother wolf decide to keep Mowgli? Because they wanted to save him from Sher Khan. So next is all question answers I have given you. We have already discussed everything. Okay, so 6th one we'll do. Which of these are true about baby Mowgli? Take all correct answers. So B1, Mowgli was a happy child. Yes, he was. Mowgli was not afraid of anyone. Yes, he was not afraid of anyone. Now let's see this one, grammar and usage. The wolf cubs slept in the cave. The leader of the wolf pack stood on the top of a hill. Little Mowgli stood under a low branch. So we have learned a few place words or prepositions like in, on, and under. So let us learn some more words like them. So children, prepositions. What are prepositions? preposition is a word, or you can say if there's a preposition phrase, we can say a group of words that is used before a noun or pronoun to show place, time, direction, etc. Okay, like in, for, to, like this. Now let's turn the page. So see here, look at these pictures. Read what the words in color mean. Waiting at the gate means in an exact place. Where? At the gate. Okay, exactly at the gate. Jumping over the table means, over means above something which is given. So here above table. Standing behind the chair. So behind means what? At the back of someone or something. Behind the curtain means at the back of curtain. Standing in front of the audience means facing someone or something. In front of means facing someone. Between the shop and the park. Between means in the middle of two things. Okay, that is between. So all these words, children, at, over, behind, in front of, between, it is showing places. Okay, so these are the prepositions which tells you about the place. So complete these sentences with the correct words from the box. So these words are given. The tired man rested under the tree. So man will rest under the tree. Now under means below something. The cat is sleeping between the two chairs. There are two things, means there should be between. The horse jumped over the fence. The students are waiting at the bus stop. Ritu is standing in front of me in the line. Mohan is hiding behind the curtain. Look at the pictures and say the answers. You can use the words in the box as help. Now again, some box is there, some words are given. Where is the cat? You can see in the picture, where is the cat? The cat is under the box. Okay, under means this, below this. Where is the boy playing? The boy is playing between the swing and the slide. See, he is between two things. No, the one side is the slide and the other side is the swing. So the boy is playing between the swing and the slide. Where is the pen? The pen is in the pencil box. When it is something in under, that is in the pencil box. Where is the bus? The bus is at the traffic signal. See, here is traffic signal, so it is giving the exact location. Okay, so we'll say at the traffic signal. Where is the goat jumping? The goat is jumping over the stick. So here stick is there and the goat is jumping over the stick. Next, we will see this one. Choose the correct words from above to complete these sentences. The butterflies flutter from one flower to another. Flutter means what, children? To move lightly and quickly. Okay. The horses gallop in the field. Gallop means what? To run very fast in a way that at some point the feet are off the ground. So gallop means, you see how the horses they run, they run very fast as if they are flying. So this is gallop. The snakes slither towards their prey. Slither means what? Slither means to move forward with the body touching the ground. So how the snake crawls, you know, no? So that is just moving, twisting the body, and the whole body is in contact with the ground. So that is slither. The monkeys swing from one tree to another. Swing means what? To move backwards or forwards or from side to side while hanging from somewhere. For example, a tree branch. Swing means what? You can say latakna in Hindi. So swing means moving from right to left, from back to front, like this. So that is known as swinging. The spiders crawl up the wall. So crawl means what? To move forward on hands and knees with the body close to the ground. So you see now how small babies also crawl on the floor, on the ground. So it is known as crawling. So children, this is all about, we will see this one also, page number 54. Mowgli is a human baby. He will live with the wolf family. He is a happy baby. Sher Khan is a tiger. He is angry. He wants to kill. Mother wolf has 4 cubs. She is not afraid of Sher Khan. She gives Mowgli his name. So children, this is about the revision we are doing about the man cub, and I want you all to learn all the word meanings, all the question answers, book exercise, and read the chapter. Okay, thank you.